If you have just received your work permit, then your next step is to update your SIN number. If you don't update your SIN number, then you can face issues with your employer, your salary, or even in tax. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to update your SIN number online once you get your work permit. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to search on Google for SIN number and then click on first link. As you can see that you have to update your SIN number whenever your legal name changes, your status changes. For example, study permit to work permit or work permit to permanent residence, or there is an update to the expiry date on your immigration document. Documents you need to apply or update your SIN number. So we will start by selecting the option that you are applying for yourself. Then select your status in Canada, which is a temporary resident. How would you like to apply? So there are total 3 ways that you can use to apply or update your SIN number, which are either online, in person, or by mail. And in this video, I'm gonna select the online application. For the documents, you will be required to upload the digital copies of the original documents, and they need to be valid, not expired ones. Then we have to upload the work permit issued by IRCC as a primary identity document. And for the secondary document, you can use your Canadian driving license and then click on apply online. Before you begin, you can read all these terms and conditions and privacy statements. Select the scenario that best describes your situation. Here select that you are applying for yourself. What's your current status in Canada? Select you are a temporary resident. Please indicate how you would like to receive your SIN confirmation. You can select either digitally or by mail. Select your preferred language and then provide your email address and then click on next. Have you ever had a SIN number? Select yes. Here enter your SIN number. Select the type of application you wish to submit. I'm gonna select change the status on a SIN record. Which of the following documents do you wish to provide? We will select work permit issued by IRCC. Then upload your work permit as a primary identity document. Enter the expiry date of your work permit. Select the driver's license as your secondary document. Then upload the digital copy of your driving license and then mention the expiry date of your driving license. Make sure that you verify your documents before you click next. Now when you provide your SIN number, it will automatically retrieve your information. Just to make sure that you verify your name and surname. So the next question is, in what country were you born? I'm gonna select India. In what province? Gujarat. And then in last, mention the name of your city. In other information section, make sure that you confirm your birth date. Select the gender and then click on next. After that, we have to provide phone number and mailing address. Then confirm your address once again and click on next. Now for any additional supporting documents, answer the following questions and click on next. Then you have to provide details of your parents. Here you need to write your father's given name and family name, as well as your mother's given name and family name. And finally, verify all the informations you provided. Print your name and then make sure that you certify it and then click on submit. That's it. Once you submit your application, it will be reviewed by Service Canada. If everything is correct, then you will receive your SIN confirmation within 5 to 10 business days. If you selected digital, then you will get it online through your account or email. And if you selected mail, then you will receive the confirmation letter at your home address. So I hope that you like this video, and please don't forget to share it with others as well.